Hi you guys, it's your girl Kendra Moore, and today I am excited to show you guys how you can make a skin brightening sugar scrub with some ingredients that I'm sure you already have in your pantry. So it's time for all of us to get our glow up. Now, one of the ingredients that we are going to use today is one of my favorite ingredients, period. Because it's just so multifunctional, and I believe a lot of people don't really have a true appreciation for honey. That is because honey is also very powerful medicinally as well. Honey is what you call a bioactive compound in terms of its chemical makeup, which means that it delivers value beyond its nutritional value. Another ingredient that we're going to use to make our skin brightening body scrub, because we want our skin to just, again, we're slopping off the dead skin cells, but we want that brightness in our skin as well. So we are actually going to use lemon. And another reason why I love this DIY is because, you know, more often than not, I'm sure you like me will have like a half of a lemon or half of a lime, because you can use lime as well for this recipe, in your refrigerator. So well, here is a perfect way that you can use that other half of the lemon. All right, so let's see what else you might have in your pantry, perhaps in your bathroom. This is jojoba oil. So I have jojoba oil here, and we know jojoba oil is used a lot in skincare, right? Because it's deep moisturizing properties. Now, if you do not have jojoba oil, you can use other carrier oils such as avocado oil. You can use coconut oil. Now, if you buy the coconut oil in the store that's like solid, all you have to do is just melt it with very light heat, and it'll melt. And you can use your coconut oil. You can use olive oil. So again, this is a sugar scrub with pantry ingredients. Now, last but not least, sugar. So we have sugar. You can use a white sugar. You can use brown sugar. Sugar, the granules of the sugar makes it a perfect size to help with scrubbing your skin without tearing your skin. The recipe is really easy. Those are the ingredients. Now what you're going to need to make it, you need a bowl, you need a spoon, your measuring cup, so you need 1/2 cup. And then a tablespoon. This is actually a 2 tablespoon size because we're going to use 2 tablespoons, but you need a tablespoon. And then something to put your scrub in once you are done. Now, let's get to making. So for our sugar scrub, we are going to use 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. So you're going to pour that in here. Again, this is something that is super easy. You're going to put that in your bowl. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to do 1/4 cup, let me get my cup, of your oil. Now for me, I have a 1/4 cup here somewhere. Sorry, you guys. Is this it? Yep. 1/4 cup. I have jojoba oil. We can mix our oils as well. So I'm actually going to mix my jojoba oil with this last drop of avocado oil that I have, all right? So this is 1/4 cup. If you don't have jojoba oil or avocado oil, remember, you can use coconut oil, rosehip oil. You can use all kinds of different carrier oils for this. You just need 1/4 cup. And you can mix them up. So I'm using coconut oil, and I'm squeezing some jojoba oil in here. That is going into our sugar scrub, and you're just going to gently mix this in. Now, keep your oils nearby, because if your sugar scrub is too thick, then you can thin it out by adding a little bit more oil to it. So we have that. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to add our honey. You can add any kind of honey that you have, any kind of raw honey. Now, Manuka honey is actually my favorite medicinal honey. It's a little bit more costly than regular honey. For that reason, today I am using regular honey. So regular honey works because this is a sugar scrub. So there's no need to use a really expensive honey for that. So you're going to do 2 tablespoons of the honey. Now this 1 spoon that I have is a is 2 tablespoons. So I'm just filling this bad boy up with my honey. And now you're going to add your honey to the mix. All right. Next, what I'm going to do, last but not the least, is that I am going to add my lemon. And for your lemon, ideally you'll do 3 tablespoons of lemon. But again, if you have half a lemon sitting in your refrigerator, just squeeze out that lemon juice and put it in here, all right? Be careful of the seeds. You can also use a lemon essential oil, which I do have lemon essential oils, of course, but for this recipe, I actually want the lemon juice. But you can use essential oils. That works as well. If you use essential oils, it would not be 3 tablespoons of essential oils. That would just be insane. So we're pouring our lemon in. And now we're just giving this a scrub. Giving the scrub a mix. And I'm going to bring this close to the camera so you can see it. So you want to stir it. You don't want it to be chunky. You actually want it to be like a nice kind of fine type of mixture. And the more you mix it, you'll see that it starts to kind of get to that texture that we want. And you can test it and see, okay, if this is too thick for you, if it's too thin for you, then what you will do is you will just basically add a little bit more of your oil in here. So for me, I'm going to add just a little bit more of the jojoba oil in here just to thin it out a little bit more. Oh, that's honey. Woo! And then it is going to be thick because we did use honey in this. You want to use a scrub about 1 to 2 times a week. There's no need to do it like every day. When you have your sugar scrub all ready, what you would do is you would wet your skin. So I'm going to do that real quick. So imagine you're in the bathtub, you're in the shower. I'm going to do this on the back of my hand. Your skin is wet. You put a little bit of the scrub on it. And then we're just rubbing this in, right? All over your entire body. And if you have sensitive skin, you want to rub gently. If you have any open sores, wounds, then you don't want to use a sugar scrub. I don't care what's in it. You have to wait till your skin heals in order to use it. And what you're going to do is you're going to rinse this off. So I'm going to rinse it off and show you after. So you rinse it, and then you basically have, might be hard for you to tell, but you'll have like a little shine on your skin, and it feels very nice and moisturized. We have this all made, we have to store it, right? So this is where our nice jars that we save, I save all kinds of jars. Again, this was olives. I make sure I sanitize it, and I just keep it until I need it. So whether it's making something like this, such as a scrub, making a tincture, making oils for your body, skincare products, I love my glass jars. And my mom, actually, she will bring me her glass jars because I'm like, Mom, don't throw away your jars. This way you don't have to worry about buying containers for your wellness products. You'll already have it. So here we have, all nice and ready, our nice little honey sugar scrub. And again, top it up. You can store this actually in the refrigerator. I would not store it in your bathroom because you don't want water to get into here. So I would just put it in my refrigerator, and when you're ready to use it, you have it. You can also store it in like one of those squeeze bottles as well. Do not use this on your face. This is not a face scrub. It is a body scrub. Great for your feet as well. If you have dry feet, I would highly recommend using this on your feet as well. All right. So you guys, thank you for watching. I will talk to you next week.